right, today I'm grateful and excited and happy about life, and here is the most powerful technique to deal with negative, toxic people using the law of attraction. It is an absolutely beautiful day here in the Hawaiian Islands, watching the ocean right now, and I want to share with you the most powerful. Now, this is going to be very, no one tells you this, it's going to be very different, and I'm going to use a real life example and actually show you how to use the most powerful technique to deal with negative and toxic people using the law of attraction. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Aloha, let's dive right into this video. Okay, so I was actually trying to come up with a video to make, and then I occasionally look at my comments on YouTube and got a pretty I thought it was really hilarious. They said this: "You are a liar. It's obvious from your smile while talking seriously." I responded and I said, "Thanks for watching. Just to clarify, so being happy and smiling and excited about what I do with this channel means I'm a liar? Would I be more believable if I was angry and unhappy? Have a great day, smiley face." So obviously that's just a little funny, cute example, but the thing about when other people come at you with their projections of reality is that if you engage their energy field, that's how you lose in a negative or toxic or difficult situation to deal with, is that if their energy infiltrates you. Normally I never answer comments like this, but I just thought it was kind of funny, and I thought it's a very polite exchange to not allow someone's energy to affect it. So they said, "You are a liar. It's obvious from your smile while talking seriously." And it's like I could be upset and be like, "Why don't people understand me? I just don't get it. I'm trying my best to help people, but nobody understands me. And this is so stupid. There's so many assholes and jerks in the world." Or I could just be like, "Oh, all right, cool. Just to clarify, so being happy and smiling and excited about what I do with my life and being grateful for my life and having a smile on my face while I do videos for this channel that make me very happy must mean I'm a liar. But I'd be more believable if I was upset," right? So how can you manipulate the energy of whatever situation it is that you're dealing with? So I have a few suggestions. Number one is, that's not part of my belief system. No thanks, but that's not part of my belief system. Comment that down below. No thanks, but that's not part of my belief system. Comment that down below. I'm dead serious. No thanks, but that's not part of my belief system. Someone comes at you with their negative projection. You got to understand, everybody is energy. The word emotion means energy in motion. It's your energy in motion. So everybody is an energy field. Some people's energy field are like a black hole, and they're just like suck things into it because they're so negative, or they've had so much pain and trauma in their life, or they're dealing with so much stress or setbacks or heartbreaks. You never know what someone's going through, but the end product could be they're extremely negative, difficult, toxic, and they project, "You can't do this. Your life's never gonna have this. Just be realistic. This won't work out for you." And they may be even trying to be positive, or they're trying to love you, or sometimes they're just trying to hurt you because they feel so bad about themselves. And what I invite you to do is say, "Thank you, but that's not part of my belief system." Comment that down below. "Thank you, but that's not part of my belief system." So someone comes at you and it's like you're using telepathic judo against them, instead of like, "Hey, why don't you be nicer?" You're just like, "Hey, you know what? Thank you. I appreciate your suggestion, appreciate you sharing, your thoughts and your experience, but that's not part of my belief system. I have a belief system that's totally different, and I have this dream, goal, idea, this ideal way, this idealistic version of how I want my life to be, and I need to take charge of my belief system. So thank you, but that's not part of my belief system." So that's step number one. Number two, realize that how other people feel in a lot of instances has absolutely nothing to do with you at all. Nothing to do with you at all. Byron Katie said it another way. She said that essentially, it's not your job to get other people to like you. It's not your job how other people feel. It's your job to feel good. It's your job to like you. Her quote was more like, "It's your job to like you. It's not your job to get other people to like you. You know, what I do for a living, I make a video every single day. I don't know exactly how many I have. It might be close to 700. There's probably at least 10 negative comments. Some are just like really kind of like that one. But then there's other ones that are like, you know, they get more aggressive with their comments, right? And so between 700 videos, I would think I probably get at least 300-400 negative comments a day compared to, you know, thousands and thousands of the positive ones. And the mind, though, has a tendency, right, to get fixated on a negative person or a toxic person or whatnot. And, you know, one thing that I've really learned from seeing that many comments is it has nothing to do with you at all. The only time it has something to do with you is you allow it to affect you. And when you consider that you have a conscious mind. Now, your conscious mind has the ability to think anything it wants to think and reject any ideas that it wants to reject. So if I say to you, you're stupid, you're never going to be successful, you're too old, you're too fat, you can't attract your soulmate, you're not good looking enough, there's no good people left. You could reject that idea, that energy that someone else is shooting, that projecting that energy system. You could reject it like a force field, or you could accept it. You could be like, no, as we talked earlier, no thanks, that's not part of my belief system. Or you could inherit that energy. Now, your conscious mind is essentially like you know the trash cans on a Mac computer or a PC, and you drag the files and you put them in the trash can? Your conscious mind is basically gets to be like the overseer of this most powerful territory called your thoughts and your belief systems, because your thoughts and your belief systems create your reality, and whatever energy you let in will ultimately become your life. Now, your conscious mind can just drag people's energy into the mentally delete button when they say something. They don't agree with you. They don't think your dream is possible. They think you're this. They think you're that. They have this problem. And they're talking. You could go over and just drag their energy into the trash can. And what I'm inviting you to do is actually do like a mental rehearsal on that. Like make it funny. Like if you make things too serious, then your nervous system goes into a fight or flight mode. And that's what happens. That's how a lot of times how other people's negative energy, they're toxic or they're difficult, they affect us because we react to it, and our nervous system goes into fight or flight to their negative energy, to their difficult, to their toxicity. Instead, if we can just bring them over into the trash can, their energy's gone. And it's a fun practice that helps you realize that your conscious mind determines whether you let somebody else in. You have free will. You have the ability to choose. You have the ability to think anything that you want to think. So what I'm inviting you to do is ask yourself this simple question. Is it worth losing my peace over? Comment down below. Is it worth losing my peace over? Comment that down below. Is it worth losing my peace over? Comment that down below. Ask yourself that. Just be like, is this worth losing my peace over? It might be. There might be something you really need to stand up for, but 99% of the time the answer is probably no. Ask yourself that. Is this worth losing my peace over? Comment that down below. Now, number 3, last but not least, is twofold. 1, ask yourself, is this really personal? Is this really about me? And if we can detach our consciousness to look at it rationally, I think what we'll almost always see is that, no, this isn't about me. You know, Don Miguel Ruiz in his books of 4 Agreements, one of the most powerful one is not to take things personally. And when we learn that other people's energy and emotions and their behavior is about them, then we can detach from the situation. We can not stay as long, not go as often, create more distance from them, but more specifically, not take it personally. When someone is just so negative and so toxic, it has nothing to do with you. It's all about them. And we can actually instead do our best to send them love from a distance. Now, what I invite you to do is go like this. Literally smile right now. Wherever you are in the world, go like this and just smile. Just smile right now. Literally just keep holding it, keep holding it. One time this lady was like, well, if I do that, I'm going to get wrinkles. I'm like, you're not going to get wrinkles if you smile for 15 seconds right now. Just smile for 15 seconds. Makes you feel good, right? So what does that show you? That's an easy tool. Just smile at them, send them love, and create separation and distance. And if their energy affects you, go sit in your car by yourself for a sec, or go in the bathroom for a sec and go like this. And do that for 30 seconds to get notice how your nervous system relaxes, you move out of fight or flight, and your thought patterns change. Just by doing this for 15, 20 seconds, it changes everything. So this is the secret. This is the key. Go like this. Send them love. Life is beautiful. You can be in love or you can be in fear. Right now, I choose love. Say it. Right now, I choose love. Comment down below. Right now, I choose love. Comment that down below. Right now, I choose love. Comment that down below. I'm dead serious. Right now, I choose love. Comment that down below. Right now, I choose love. Say it. Right now, I choose love. Comment it down below. Today's going to be a beautiful day. I can feel it. Your energy is getting bigger, stronger, more powerful, lighter, happy, more expansive, and more loving. Can you feel it? Take a deep breath in. Put a smile on your face. Life is going to be great today. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. Right there down below is my success hypnosis. It's free to use, jakeshypnosis.com. Now, there's all these negative people in the world, and if you can actually train yourself for positivity, then it never affects you. So I created a success hypnosis 7 years ago for myself. It changed my life forever. It allowed me to blow this YouTube channel up, millions of views every single month, attract $1 million business, attract my soulmate, attract amazing friendships, experiences, travels, and adventure into my life. And it was because I brainwashed myself for success and good luck and opportunities. And I want you to do the same, so I give it away for free now, this success hypnosis. I never would have imagined. I used it for myself for over 2 years before I even gave it away. And I never would imagine over 300,000 people from all over the world would now use it. And every day I get these amazing success stories. It's free to use. The only thing that I ask is that you come back and you share the amazing success stories on my channel and with me. It makes me feel good. So right there down below is jakeshypnosis.com. Right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Right there down below. So go ahead, download that, demo it, use it for free, see what amazing things unfold in your life. Hit the subscribe button. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, so make sure you hit that and like this video. When you hit like on this video, it sends the video out into the YouTube universe. This is an important topic, so please share this video. Thank you to everyone who does. Right now, I send you so much positive vibes, good energy for great things to occur in your life. If you share this video with anyone, I'm sending you so many vibes on a text message, email, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, with your friends, with your classmates, with your students, with your family. Thank you for sharing it. This movement of this channel is all about growing our energy and uplifting the vibe of the planet, of everyone's lives, because that's how we're gonna live more abundantly, freely, happy, and in harmony. So thank you for sharing this video. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below, I choose love. Comment down below, I choose love. And then go ahead and use Jake's Hypnosis right there down below. I'll see you on the next video.